This is a Sony a6300 24 megapixels, perfect for doing landscape photography and also low light. With that, we have the Sigma 16mm 1.4 f-stop low light lens. Works great for this specific setup and for doing time-lapse photography. And then the second piece of equipment we have is our Raspberry Pi, a little mini computer in this lovely small box. It has 4 USB ports, and we're using one of these USB ports to power our Sony camera. So this cord specifically isn't used to trigger photos to be taken. This is merely just the power source. The Raspberry Pi has a Python script, and that Python script is what is used to trigger photos over Wi-Fi. The Sony SDK only allows us to communicate with the camera with Wi-Fi, and we don't have any other direct access in this setup that we've developed. From there, the images, after the images are taken on the camera, they're transferred from Wi-Fi to the Raspberry Pi, and then from the Raspberry Pi, they're uploaded via another Wi-Fi connection to the internet. And that's where it's sent off for post-production in relatively real-time fashion. Both of these pieces of equipment are then put in this lovely small box and set outside to capture moments where we're either asleep or we're out playing.